Westfield Medical. 40 years of innovation, development and excellence, producing high-quality, single-use sterilisation packaging for use in hospital SSD, HSDU and TSSU departments. The scope of our stock products is comprehensive, coming in a variety of sizes and configuration designed to cater to a wide range of medical needs, while our bespoke products offer tailor-made solutions to users in other commercial and industrial sectors. Our manufacturing base in southwest England offers production in a controlled environment, compliant with ISO 9001, 2008 and all appropriate standards such as ISO 11607 and EN 868. We're the only UK company able to supply particular products complete with a British Standards Kite mark and CE mark. We supply a worldwide market through a comprehensive network of distributors. In keeping with our reputation for innovation in anticipation of the needs of our market, Westfield has developed Humipak. This pioneering product recognises and provides an effective solution to the problem of delayed post-operative cleaning of instruments in accordance with CFPP requirements. Research and experience indicate that when instruments are allowed to dry between clinical use and SSD detergent procedures, residual protein can remain on the equipment even following decontamination. This is as a result of the biochemical changes to the protein brought about by drying. Of course, of particular concern are prions. Drying renders the protein hydrophobic, so that even multiple detergent cleaning procedures may be less effective, thus seriously compromising infection control. Humipak's novel solution means that for as long as 7 days post-clinical use, instruments can be predictably decontaminated first time, with all the clinical and efficiency benefits this brings. Humipak comes in a range of sizes to cater for all instruments, ranging from 200 by 350 mm for individual instrument use up to the double DIN 650 by 670 mm. Our multi-pouch version for delicate instruments has been designed to maintain items in optimum condition for repeated use during operations. Humipak is simple to use and comes with easy-to-follow instructions on every pack. After or during clinical procedure, contaminated instruments can be placed back in their trays or baskets before sealing in the Humipak. Select the appropriate Humipak and read off the amount of water to be added for that size pack. It's important to add only water measured to the correct amount, as an excess in the pack will affect its efficiency. At this stage, there's no need to add any pre-cleaning detergents or enzymatic sprays. The moisture readily spreads through the absorbent material onto which the instrument should be placed before sealing the pack. It's important that the pack is effectively sealed. This is easily achieved by removing the protective strip from the adhesive band on the open end of the pack and then folding along the fold line, securing from the centre outwards. Once correctly sealed in the pack, the moisture maintains a constant humid atmosphere, which circulates around the instruments, ensuring that the protein and other contaminants remain soft. This is in contrast to the use of spray detergents, which may not cover the entire instrument surface and suffer high evaporation rates. Once sealed in the Humipak atmosphere, the instruments can be safely returned for cleaning in the knowledge that risk of contaminant drying, as might occur in transit from outlying hospitals or overnight or weekend periods, has been negated. On receipt in the cleaning department, the instruments are easily unpacked and are ready for immediate cleaning. Simply cut the pack and, having removed the contents, discard the packaging safely in the appropriate waste. When equipment is delivered from theatre in more traditional ways, difficulties are frequently encountered in dislodging contaminants and washing the items, particularly with complex-shaped or cannular instruments, with the process often requiring the addition of costly cleaning chemical additives, time-consuming extra brushing, and multiple exposure to ultrasonic cleaning. Compare that procedure with the more efficient routine of Humipak stored items, where the returned instruments may be easily washed in the normal way with a minimum of scrubbing required because the sustained humid atmosphere of the pack has prevented the dehydration of the contaminants. This ease of cleaning reduces the preparation time for the rest of the washing procedure. The items dealt with in this way help to ensure the optimum effectiveness of the washer disinfectors. The Humipak is the natural extension of the Westfield medical range, all of which enable CSSDs to operate with the confidence that their instruments may be safely delivered to the point of use without the likelihood of return or of putting the patient at risk.